Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a quiz on Quizizz. So if you can't find the quiz section on Quizizz, like create, just go to Quizizz AI. You can select either from your documents, YouTube videos, etc., etc. I'll just create questions from topic prompts or etc. Here, I'm just going to enter quiz topic name. I'll just do English grammar. I don't know. Number of questions. Oh, I'll test on like animal facts maybe. Number of question, I'll do like 5. And then I'll do select subjects. So biology, select grade. I'll do like first grade and then I'll select continue. And it's going to understand the topic and you can basically generate the quiz here. I'll do ocean animals and then reptiles. Generate quiz, and it's going to generate the quiz for you. And that's how you can create quizzes on quizizz.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.